Hello and welcome to Timmy's 10 again for an unboxing of a 2021 Hot Wheels. Today I am here with my daughter Julia. Hello Julia.
Hello.
And we are going to open up this 17 Acura NSX from the Hot Wheels Turbo Series, number 5 of 5 and number 148 of 250 on the year. Don't mind my ducks. It's feeding time. Hot Wheels Turbo Series. Let's get it out of the package. I'm really liking this green color, Julia.
I am too. It's like a lime color.
Yeah. Ooh, and it's metallic too.
Ooh, pretty.
A little bit of shiver in there. Shimmer, not shiver. Painted taillights. All wheels roll well. Painted headlights. The green is metal. The bottom is plastic. This car is made in Malaysia. Driving is on the left. Engine looks like it's in the back. Very cool looking car. And like I said, I'm loving this color. Let's see how it rolls. Roll back, Jules. I got some bumps, like I think I have a little bit of sand when I took the top off.
It's a good roller.
Yeah, I think it's a straight roller.
Turns a little bit.
Very little, yeah. Whoa, wipeout. All right. See how it goes on our little racquetball contraption. Ouch. It's a flip over when it goes forward. Oh, complete flip over. There we go. A little better backwards. Want to try it?
Yeah, sure.
Nice. All right, let's try some drifting. Ready?
Yep.
Little skid. Whoa. Whoa, I like that one. On the line and off the line.
Oh, it's a roller.
Oh, I'm liking the way you're doing it. How do I do like that? I like that skid that you do. He's kind of coming in for a wipeout. Ready? How about a donut? Oh, smash. Boom. Smash, bang, crack them up. Ready? Last one.
Oh, wait.
You wanted to do a smooth roll? Oh!
So close.
All right. Cool car, though. It's going into the Timmy's 10 Again collection. No problem. Thanks for helping, Julia, and playing with me. And until next time.
T10 out.
T10 out.
Bye.